Hey, it's Matt Walsh here from Style Factory, the go-to site for e-commerce advice. Today, I'm going to show you how to access the Shopify free trial and do so in a way that lets you extend it from 3 to 30 days at virtually no cost. I'm also going to show you how to access a special Shopify trial that lets you get your hands on a host of excellent free dropshipping resources. Alright, let's dive in. Something you might not know about the Shopify trial is that there are actually two versions of it available, both aimed at slightly different audiences. First up, there's the regular trial. It gives you free access to Shopify for 3 days, after which you'll need to upgrade your plan to continue building your store. However, if you use this trial in a particular way, you can actually extend it to 30 days for just $1. This can amount to a saving of hundreds of dollars if you're on one of Shopify's more expensive plans. Okay, so here's how you do that. First, you'll need to click on the link in the video description. This will take you to a special free trial page where you can access the Extendable trial. Once you've entered your details and started your trial, all you need to do is click the Select a Plan button in your Shopify dashboard to activate the extended version. You'll then be taken to a screen where you can pick the right one for you. The $1 for 30 days offer will be automatically applied to any plan you choose here, even the $299 plus advanced plan. Now, you will have to enter your card details during this step, but you can cancel your plan without charge at any point during your 30-day extension. Now, it's very important to note that Shopify regularly changes the availability of offers like this. This extendable free trial may not be around indefinitely, so if you're interested in getting your hands on this version of the trial, you are best off doing so quickly. Again, you'll find this special trial link in the video description. The other way to start a Shopify trial is by accessing Shopify's free Dropshipping Starter Kit. If you do this, you get access not only to the Shopify free trial, but a ton of useful resources to help you start a dropshipping business with too. These include videos, tutorials, and PDFs that have been created by Shopify and some of its most successful dropshipping partners. As with the regular free trial, Style Factory has been given a special link that you can use to get not just these dropshipping resources, but the $1 per month offer too. You'll find this in the video description. Again, please note that this is a trial offer that may not be around all that long. And that's it. 2 ways you can get the most out of a Shopify free trial. To get more offers and tips from Style Factory, do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notifications bell. And finally, if you have any queries, do leave them in the comment section. We read them all and will do our best to help.